Good morning. So it's like 8:30 in the morning and I've had my coffee and I had some French toast. So I sent Sam to her bedroom to play on the iPad in there, and I'm in with her stuffies and whatever else she's doing. And Jeremy's sleeping. So I'm going to get the rest of that insulation done because it's still nice and cool in here. So I'm covered head to toe. When it's really hot, I don't want to wear long sleeves and long pants and then I just get covered in insulation. And I have to go shower instantly right after. So I figure if I can get to it this morning, as soon as I'm done, I can just take my clothes off, throw them in the laundry, and hop in the shower and be ready for the day. So I'm gonna get that little bit done up in this corner. Above this door, there's a little more I need to do, and then one spot in the corner over on the side of the house I need to do. I'll do all that, and then when Jeremy gets up and he's ready to work, we will just plastic wrap the rest of the house, and then it'll be good to go. So that's really exciting. So I'm going to get cutting. I just moved the staging and forgot to do a piece over this window right there. Ah, stink. I'm just gonna go up with the ladder and do it. Now I'll tidy up and off to the shower. So glad that job is done. Okay, so there was one spot left and I fixed it up, insulated it, and now I'm going to take all the insulation and move it to the bathroom in the attic and get it off these floors because we are finally done with it. Yes.
All right. So this is the gable vent I got. I've already taken this here off the front. That'll cover the nails later, but for now, use that to trace out my hole I gotta cut. I'm gonna go outside and do that. I just grabbed this at Home Depot. I got the same one on the other side of the roof that I did last year. So that's it right there. Rectangle one. I'm gonna go outside and get to doing that. I didn't realize the camera died. Let me show you. Vents in. So now I just gotta soffit. And soffit up here. That insulation there was just stuffed up there to keep the bugs out before we had done the ceiling. So I gotta take that out and then put the soffit there, fascia. That'll be good for out here. Of course, we got to do the siding, but so like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. Before I go, I was just throwing the video together. Look how dark it is in here. It's only 6 o'clock at night, but there's a storm coming. Look over here. Ah, it doesn't look that, and the phone doesn't look that bad, but you're gonna look at the door. It's about to get nasty. I was just sitting inside, and then I heard the rumble, and you probably can't hear it. And then it just got right dark inside. It's supposed to get bad. Oh yeah, look at over here. It's looking pretty sketchy. That definitely looks sketchy. There's the AC unit we got. It's 26 in here right now. It was blazing hot outside, but just turned. I cooked my burgers out there on that little barbecue, but when I brought them in, I took a bite. Blood wasn't cooked, so I've got them in here now. So I can't believe, I don't even know why I'm filming this right now. It's so dark. But anyways, I'm done outside for today. Just gonna finish these. Look how dark it is in here. It's 6 o'clock. It doesn't get dark till like 9:30, 10. Show you out here again. Whoa! Anyways, thought I'd show you that. It's all that hot, humid weather, right? Man, the lightning's like right here. We're grounded good. So that's good. Oh, that AC I just showed you, we gotta take that back though. Man, it's like right over me. Thunder. I gotta take that back because that's not really no good. It takes up too much power. I should have paid more attention when I got it. I just was panicking. I was boiling hot. But so I'm gonna go back. Our camper's right where I got it, so it's close to where I go anyway. So I'm gonna use it and then take it back. There was actually something cracked when I got it home too, so that wasn't cool. And I'm gonna pick up another one more efficient. But anyways, I'll let you know how this storm goes. See ya.